Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you very much for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a look here at Axie Infinity once more, kind of see what's going on and hopefully understand a little bit more about big picture if it's going to continue this trend, right? Now, if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, just love teaching people how to trade. I hope you can learn something today, and hopefully you learned something yesterday from my video when I expected this to break out to the upside based on the trend line and a handful of other things. We'll review that here again today, of course, but if you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is the website, link in the description below. Check that out. We have trades like this all the time, and we actually took some profits on Axie recently, and all good stuff there in that sense. For future reference as well too, when it comes to just say, trying to find a breakout, a lot of time breakouts occur in a few different ways. Well, this one occurred by trend lines and a lot of, for the most part, I guess you could say, with a handful of other things. So first of all, yesterday the price was kind of testing this level, and it looked like it was going to break out because of the fact that it's been testing this level about 3 or 4 days in a row. When you see something tested at least 3 times, the 4th day is typically going to be somewhat of a push through. All right, now oftentimes that happens, but generally speaking, we see this little trend line working its way up here. That's telling us the price will never, well, not never, but it has proven to not make higher lows. In other words, it keeps making higher lows. And the fact that it kind of pushes itself into a wedge allows the price to break to the upside in most cases. That's essentially what happened here with Axie. So, good stuff there in that sense, of course. It's not a I told you so. It's just a happy that we're here. We took some profits as a community, and of course, I hope you did as well. We actually had somebody do like a 20x leverage trade and made tons of profit here. So, well done on that one, Haiti. That being said, Axie Infinity's got tremendous potential, so just keep this in mind. It's only getting started. It will likely break its most recent high of roughly $72, and that may be on this trend here. Now let's go ahead and see kind of where we're at so far with this. We're at a 2 on TD sequential, so thankfully we got a nice little reset. We had enough consolidation here recently at that price point to allow for the price to break up. That's another reason why when you see a price kind of test a resistance level for a few days in a row, the likelihood of it breaking to the upside is higher because of the fact that you're consolidating, adding more volume at that specific price point, and you can see a tremendous amount of volume here right at about $50. That's that foundation that this needed to kind of catapult upwards. So again, Axie's looking very good in that sense. Love to see that. And all in all, there's really nothing here adverse. We're trending just off of 50 on the R side. We bounced off of 50. We're trending closer to 70 in that sense, which is fantastic. And that could imply that we have a nice continuation upwards. Look at the 4-hour. Let's go ahead and double check this as well here. Obviously, we see the breakout here to the upside. It tested that key level Fibonacci retracement level about 3 times overall in the 4-hour time frame in the last 48 hours. So in that sense, Axie has done very, very well in the sense of trying to test itself again. You could even argue this is a cup and a handle, and it broke to the upside. That's also something to be mindful of as well. While I didn't see that yesterday, it wasn't fully formed either, so there's that. Mostly the anticipation that I had was the fact that it kept testing this resistance level on the 1 day, and that continued to eventually allow for the breakout. That being said, we're above both moving averages, so we have basically a golden cross there. We're up over 70 on the RSI on the 4-hour, which I don't love in general. I think it's usually a sign of a reversal, because anytime you look in the past here, anytime it comes up over 70 on the RSI, it has a tendency of pulling back. Now again, depends on the market, of course. You could kind of argue that in bullish markets, it's going to continue to stay higher. That does happen sometimes. But do we really want a parabolic increase from Axie right now? No. The answer is no. We never want parabolic increases because they come back down twice as hard in most cases, right? Not to say that this couldn't happen today, but generally speaking, we don't want it to happen. We want the price to consolidate at the resistance of $57 and go sideways for a little bit, then get enough momentum to leg up once more. All right, so again, all good stuff there in that sense. I think Axie has good potential. We'll probably still hit our swing trade signal at about $80, and we'll get there eventually, right? For now, all good things though. I truly do love what I see here from Axie. There's nothing adverse on the 4-hour, which translates to a really nice 1 day. Let's see what the 1-hour tells us here though, if this is an overextension or where we're at there. It does look like it's getting up there. We're at a 6, so potential of 3 more hours before we experience a retracement, or just the price goes sideways and kind of calms down. Keep in mind, it could, of course, come back down, but if and when it does, if it does come down, just say, $53 should be the bottom, and that would be a case in point where you want to add to your position. In fact, I'm going to set an alert for $54 so we can go ahead and make sure that we have a chance of catching that to the downside if it were to come back down. Okay, so if it comes down, I'm going to be willing to reinvest or add to my position at $54 because that's a healthy, safe number, especially based on what it's done so far. If it comes back down, excellent. We love to see that actually. So it might actually come back down to test. A lot of times you see the price break through a resistance, come down to test that key level, and then use that as a support level moving forward. Okay. So again, really good stuff here for Axie. I liked what I see. It's definitely nothing adverse here. Cloud's going to tell us we got all green lights. So honestly, not much else to really talk about except for the fact that the continuation to the upside is still very likely. We are only I think we got a reset once again. We're at a 2 on TD sequential on the daily. And then TD sequential on the 4 hour, we're also at a 2. So this continuation could occur for another 20, 40, 40 hours. I think the likelihood of it happening is fairly high. It does depend on Bitcoin, of course. If Bitcoin retraces down to 41 or 40,000, we might see a correction from Axie a little sooner than expected, but it's perfectly fine if that happens due to the fact that we want to get in again at the price point of $54 because that's a good value now based on the overall sense of things. And if you see this increased volume, it should only continue from here. So I'd be surprised if Axie slowed down in the immediate future. Feel free to add to your position now. I think the likelihood of it continuing higher is very, very high, but I wouldn't expect it to just blast through these two resistance levels of 57 or 60 in the near future. I think it'll take maybe a day or two to happen, but the next couple of days, it'll probably be green days, right? It's telling us, everything is telling us here that there's likely a continuation to occur. So just be mindful of that, be ready for it. Add to your position now. If we get lucky, get a pullback to 54, I would say add to your position then, and then we should expect the price to continue higher. And all good stuff here. So Axie is, again, all green lights. There's nothing adverse here. We're not overextended at all. We should expect this price to continue to break out. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't do anything obnoxious. If it does, then of course Axie will kind of just hit pause for a moment, consolidate closer to that resistance level or that previous resistance, current support of 52 to 54. So $52 to $54 would be a great place to add to your position if it comes back down. Otherwise, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you learned something, of course. And if you're not currently a community member, CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link in the description below if you want access to my trade signals, my academy, and of course an amazing community where we all learn and grow together. And we've actually talked about Axie pretty extensively recently. So once again, thanks again. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day.